On top with tori for today, Naija Presido Buhari don go do ogbonge meeting with Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau for Addis Ababa for Ethiopia. Presido Buhari follow do dis meeting with the Prime Minister of Canada based on saying he ready better and grow Naija economy and to make Canada economy grow too. Make una sabi say Nigeria and Canada na ogbonge countries wey dey share multiculturalism, federalism and Commonwealth membership together. Prime Minister of Canada Justin Trudeau come tok say belle sweet am as im sidon with Naija Presido to discuss better things wey go affect their two countries.
Real pleasure to sit down with President Buhari of Nigeria, an opportunity for us to engage with a leader in Africa. Really, your leadership and your reflection on the current situation challenging Africa, but also the potential and the opportunities is something I'm very much looking forward to getting into with you. Canada and Nigeria have a long-standing and deep connections and friendship, and I very much look forward to this conversation and hearing your perspective on many big issues facing not just Africa but the world.
President Buhari come salute Justin Trudeau and Canadian government as im tok say Canada na one of the ogbonge biggest customer wey Naija get on top crude oil and wey dem take dey support the country on top education matter. E still tok say im administration ready to make sure say Canada continue to be Naija padi because dem go help carry ogbonge devel enter the country. Naija Minister of Foreign Affairs Geoffrey Oyema come follow tori pipo tok on top Nigeria and Canada matter as dem continue the meeting behind closed doors. Make una remember say Prime Minister of Canada Justin Trudeau and Governor General of Canada Julie Prayet don first come visit Presido Buhari for State House for Abuja last year, October.
Canada is willing to support the efforts of Mr. President in the anti-terrorist campaign. Canada is very keen to re-engage with Nigeria at a more intense level, and trade issues they also discussed about. Agriculture is another area that they decided that there could be some cooperation, especially as Canada has a number of interesting innovations and technologies in the agricultural field that it felt could be of interest to Nigeria. Discuss education and the possibilities of Nigerians accessing the educational institutions in Canada. But there's this issue of Nigerians getting into the US and then crossing illegally on foot into Canada, and so that was some cause of some concern. But the president explained the challenges, of course, that we have in Nigeria, and the Canadian president was very understanding.
Now, so we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. On top say Presido Buhari don go do ogbonge meeting with Canadian Prime Minister. Make una sabi say this ogbonge informate waka come to una so na T Live Media na carry am come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge informate, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Comment, like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.